Are you constantly finding yourself standing in front of your closet, wondering what to wear for various occasions, whether it's a casual brunch with friends, a date night, or a more formal event? Putting together an outfit can sometimes feel overwhelming. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to share versatile and stylish outfit ideas that are perfect for every occasion. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and keep watching. You are about to discover how to style looks that make you feel confident and put together without any stress.
Let's get started with casual outfits first. These are the perfect choices for everyday events like brunches, coffee dates, or running errands. When it comes to keeping things casual but stylish, you can't go wrong with a good pair of high-waisted jeans. Pair them with a tucked-in basic t-shirt or an oversized blouse. If you want to add a bit more flair, layer with a denim jacket or a cozy cardigan. For shoes, sneakers are always a great go-to, giving you comfort and style in one. But if you want to make things a bit more chic, a pair of ankle boots or loafers will elevate the outfit without compromising on comfort. The key to mastering a casual look is balance, simple yet polished pieces that make you feel great. Next, let's move to the smart casual territory. This is perfect for when you need to look put together, but not overly formal. Think a casual workday or a dinner date. A tailored blazer is your best friend here. You can throw it over a basic tee or a blouse and pair it with slim trousers or a midi skirt. This combination will make you look effortlessly stylish. As for shoes, loafers or heeled mules will work perfectly to keep you comfortable, while still giving you that sophisticated touch. Accessories can make or break an outfit, so keep it simple with a statement necklace or subtle earrings. Don't overcomplicate things. The goal here is to look polished but feel relaxed. Now let's talk about more formal occasions, like weddings, cocktail parties, or fancy dinners. A midi or maxi dress is your go-to here, and it's hard to go wrong with a classic silhouette. Think simple lines, flattering cuts, and timeless colors like navy, black, or jewel tones. If you want to go a little more trendy, floral prints or metallics work wonders for making a statement. Pair your dress with strappy heels or delicate sandals, and keep accessories minimal. A clutch bag and a pair of stud earrings are perfect for such occasions. If you want to add a little extra style, throw on a tailored blazer or a light shawl. This gives you a polished, elegant look that's still comfortable enough to dance the night away. Now, for those days when you need to look professional but still feel like yourself, let's dive into the business casual look. This is ideal for work events, business meetings, or networking events. A classic pencil skirt or a pair of tailored trousers paired with a blouse or button-down shirt is a timeless combination. You can layer the blouse with a structured blazer for extra polish, or add a colorful scarf for a fun pop of personality. For shoes, classic pumps or sophisticated flats are your best bet. Again, simplicity is key. This outfit should make you feel confident without feeling overdone. If you want to add a touch of flair, a statement watch or belt can really take the look up a notch. Lastly, I've got a bonus tip for you. Don't forget to experiment with layering and accessories. A simple outfit can be transformed by adding a stylish jacket, a cute scarf, or even a bold belt. Play around with colors and textures to create new looks with what you already have in your closet. And there you have it, a complete guide to styling outfits for any occasion. Whether you're keeping it casual, heading to a smart casual event, dressing up for a formal gathering, or staying chic at work, these outfit ideas will help you feel confident and stylish no matter where you're going. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling comfortable, so don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations.
So next time you are wondering what to wear, refer back to these styling tips, and I promise you will feel ready for any event. To which outfit was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your productivity and lifestyle. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.